and good day to Dr. Ruzaimah Binti Razman. We are from Group C, Section C. Today, we would like to present the application of mechanical and electrical system in building for the subject BFC32602, Mechanical and Electrical System in Building. The presenter for this project led by Muhammad Azfar bin Azri, followed by Ana Rahana binti Abdul Rahman, Nurul Akilah Hanani binti Abdul Latif, Nurul Izzah binti Harun, and Amni Ermina binti Cik Zaini.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurul Akilah Hanani binti Abdul Latif, metric number CF 200114. I'm the first presenter and will be present for the chapter 1. Introduction. Mechanical and Electrical Engineering, or MME, is a service infrastructure for building management and maintenance. It is required since there will be no power supply and distribution, electrical equipment or control system if MME was not present. For mechanical ventilation, a mechanical system is appropriate such as HVAC, which stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Aside from that, the electrical system is an important structural component because it requires electrical power in a building, such as electrical energy, lighting, and so on. All of the material mentioned above are common building in Malaysia. There are three importance of ventilation. First, to maintain thermal comfort of occupant by increasing the rate of evaporative and sensible heat loss from the body, like control of indoor air temperature and control of humidity. Second, satisfy the fresh air needs of the occupant, like to maintain air purity and improve human comfort condition. And the last one is the cool the building mass and interior space by an exchange of warm indoor air by cooler outdoor, when appropriate prevention of heat concentration from machinery, lighting, and people. Background of study. The purpose of this project is to provide an exposure to the student on the application of mechanical ventilation, including air conditioning and electrical distribution system in a simple residential building. This project has proposed a two-story house which has a living room, toilet, bedroom, and kitchen. This project required to propose a suitable mechanical ventilation for air circulation in all bedroom, kitchen, and one living space for the case study home. Other than that, this project also required to determine the appropriate capacity of the split unit conditioning system for at least 2 rooms and one living hall or family area. Lastly, we are also required to develop an electrical distribution diagram for the case study house that includes all lightings, fans, switch, socket outlet, and all the selected mechanical ventilation and air conditioning system. The objectives for this project: first, to discover the application of mechanical and electrical system in a building. Second, to reproduce schematic diagram of mechanical and electrical system in a building using appropriate drawing tools.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Amni Binti Cik Zaini. My metric number is CF 2023. Okay, I will explain about selection of mechanical ventilation. Ventilation is modern buildings, enclosed space, and without natural ventilation. Requires additional equipment to create air movement. Okay, in our mechanical ventilation, we choose two products, which is exhaust fan and ceiling diffuser. Okay, let's see what exhaust fan can do. It can control the interior environment by venting out unwanted odors, particulate smoke, moisture, and other contaminants which may be present in the air. Second is integrated into a heating and cooling system. Locations for exhaust fan includes bathroom and kitchens. Third is an exhaust fan is a fan which is used to control the interior environment by venting out unwanted odors, particulates, smoke, moisture, and other contaminants which may be present in the air. Okay, we use Kin EF 801 for our toilet and kitchen. Okay, exhaust fan calculation. Okay, first place is toilet 1. Toilet 1 size is 12 feet times 12 feet. Volume is 47.9915 meters square and is 15 ACH. Our volume flow rate Q is 0.20 meters square per second. And second place is toilet 2. Size 6 feet times 6 feet. Volume is 11.721 meters square and is 15 ACH. Volume flow rate Q is 0.05 meters square per second. And lastly is kitchen. Our kitchen size is 20 feet times 18 feet. Volume is 117.425 meters square and is not 25 ACH. Our volume flow rate Q is 0.82 meter square per second. Okay, ceiling diffuser. Ceiling diffuser, also known as a very common in heating, ventilating, and air conditioning system. Diffuser are used on both all air and air-water HVAC system as part of room air distribution subsystem and serve several purposes. For ceiling diffuser, we are using Aslida directional ceiling diffuser. Okay, this is our layout plan of ceiling diffuser and calculation. Okay, for our living hall room size is 30 feet times 20 feet. Our volume we got 195.139 meter per square, and we got 10 ACH, and our volume flow rate Q we got 0.54 meters square per second.
Heating, ventilation and air conditioning (HVAC) is the technology of indoor and vehicular environmental comfort. Its goal is to provide thermal comfort and acceptable indoor air quality. HVAC is an important part of residential structure. For our project, the air conditioning system at this place is designed as a split unit air conditioner system. Split unit air conditioning consists of two main parts, which is the outdoor unit and the indoor unit. A split system air conditioner consists of inner and outer component or unit. These two parts of the system are connected by piping and electric cable, which allow the refrigerant, a cooling agent used in refrigeration product, to flow to and from each unit. The largest part of the air conditioning system, which is also the loudest, is situated outside, while the lighter and quieter unit can be placed almost anywhere inside a building. Modern design of split system air conditioning can be worked with a remote control as well as being fitted with a heating pump facilities. This ensures the system can be used all year round for maximum comfort and optimum room temperature. As well as the system now have built-in timer and different control to personalize the experience with every use.
Next, I'm Anna. I'm going to present our layout and the interface that need to be installing air conditioning system. As we can see in the layout, ground floor and first floor, we put air conditioning in the bedroom 1, 2, 3 and also in the living hall. The equivalent HP for bedroom 1, 2 and 3 is 1.5 HP and for living hall is 2.0 HP. This slide shows the step to calculate the required air conditioning capacity for the space. Firstly, we need to determine the room square footage and check the recommended cooling capacity from the table and make the adjustment as necessary, such as heavily shaded room, sunny room, number of occupants. Then find total BTU and check the BTU requirement. We show the air conditioning capacity and the equivalent HP value that we get from the calculation. For bedroom 1, we got 12,200 BTU capacity and the equivalent value is 1.5 HP. For bedroom 2 and 3, we got 11,500 BTU and the equivalent HP is 1.5 HP. And lastly, for living hall, we got 18,400 BTU, which is 2.0 HP.
After comparison between specification of air conditioning for each brand and actual requirement of air conditioning capacity, the most suitable choice to install in bedroom is Hisense 1.5 HP R23 inverter air conditioner, since air conditioning capacity calculation is near to this aircon. Besides, the Hisense inverter air conditioner can cool the air in high efficiency and maintain room temperature in high precision with low electricity cost, which save up to 45% energy. Hisense inverter air conditioner also have plasma generator, which help to reduce PM 2.5, remove formaldehyde and kill bacteria in the air to maintain a healthy home environment. Next, after comparing each brand air conditioner specification and actual air conditioner capacity requirement, Panasonic 2.0 HP air conditioner is the most appropriate option to install in the living room, as the air conditioner capacity calculation is close to this icon. Furthermore, Panasonic air conditioner has eco mode with AI control length and judge the optimal eco level to maximize energy saving up to 20% while providing consistent cooling comfort. Panasonic air conditioner have been increasingly adopting eco-friendly R32 refrigerant, an excellent heat transfer medium for energy efficiency and cost saving. It also has low global warming potential and making it friendly to the environment.
The electrical power supply system is divided into three major components: generation units, which generate electricity; transmission units, which transport electricity from the generating plant to the area where it will be used; and distribution units, which connect individual customers to the electrical power system. A power system is a network of electrical components that supply, transmit, and utilize electricity. The electrical grid, which supply power to households and industry over a wide area, is an example of a power system. The electrical grid is divided into three parts: generators that generate power, transmission system that carry power from generating centers to load centers, and distribution system that distribute power to adjacent homes and companies. Here is the schematic diagrams of electrical distribution system for our group project. It contains of switch, triple standard plug, lamp holder and lamp holder appliance, lighting distribution board, measurer, automatic circuit breaker, protection earth, service ground, and junction box. Mechanical and electrical system are an awfully vital part of any buildings. Throughout this project, we were able to learn about the roles of each service system in the buildings. There are a few service systems in a building that can be categorized into electrical supply system, air conditioning system, ventilation system, and electrical distribution system. Each of these systems plays an important role in ensuring the building functions properly and has their own components which have different functions. That's all from us. Thank you.